President William Ruto Niwaelesya kana Silikali Nikuungama na Muvea wa Volisi Thukumini wo Ayielesya kana uya Munene wa Muvea ni Kusuvia Akenya Nthi ya Kenya Vamwe na mali ya Akenya. Niwaelesya kana vaimbulili ona imwe si isa kwitikilia kutumia vinya onomwe kukita Maovisa Volisi kana kumavuthisya wiyani wo ayasya kini kutelemia muwo wa Nthi ya Kenya. Ndeto hii anenie ile yombani tena athauki ma FKF Premier League vomani nene ya State House. Ben Mark Musau ni watumbanisia mauvo.
Vatiela masaa mavuthu maandamano makulilikana mwika majenzi alamo waiwe kwi mwaine wa thanthatu mwakani muthelu matwaeiwe. Musumbi William Ruto ni weyumilia na kuweta wandani kana serikali yake Nikuungama na Maovisa ma Volisi Thukumini wo na kwikithia muwo Kusuvia mathayu na mali ya mwene Nthi.
We must look after our policemen and women as they look after our families and our properties and securing our nation.
Musumbi Ruto weta kana vaimundu eitikilwa kutumia vinya kana kuvinyia Maovisa ma Volisi aiweta kana kuoni kuonzia usesei wa Nthi ya Kenya.
For the people who want to undermine, demean, try to intimidate our security agencies, I am telling them you're doing the wrong thing. Our security men and women deserve every support that we can muster for them to secure our nation. And we must work with them. And therefore, to every police officer, from the constable, the man on the beat, I give you my assurance that the government of Kenya will support you, will stand by you as you secure our nation and as you secure our country and keep our families safe and our properties safe.
Ruto ni wathingilila kana vaimundu weyulu ameao aimenda Kenya manengenda ya Maovisa ma Volisi na kumatethesya kwikithia kana usesei-ini wa ila.
Nobody is above the law. None of us is above the law. You cannot intimidate the police. You cannot use force against the police, or insult, or threaten the police. You are threatening our nation. Because these are our frontline defenders of our rights as Kenyans and of the right of this nation to be peaceful and to be secure.
Musumbi Ruto anena ndeto ithika vindani kaleko manite na asindi mama thau mamuvila wa ma ligi nene cia Kenya FKF na vala minister wa usesei wa Nthi ni Kipchumba Murkomen waweta kana Silikali ni yumite kukwata mbau Maovisa ma Volisi Thukumini wo.
The most unfortunate scenario happened last year at around this time on 25th of June. And in that situation, Parliament was invaded. I have spoken to ambassadors from other countries when they come visit, and I've said this. In UK, for example, if any person just tweeted or posted a post on any social media to say they will be visiting Buckingham Palace, or they will go to 10 Downing Street, or they will be going to Parliament, Your Excellency, nobody will wait for them to come to the street. They will be picked from their own houses, and they will be charged. I have lived and studied in the US. I have even attempted to visit White House because there are days they are allowed to visit. If a citizen of America, in any state, however far from the Washington, D.C. is, was to write in their social media that let us go and invade White House, Your Excellency, the Secret Service would pick them from their homes. It is only in Kenya where a citizen will say they will invade Parliament, they will invade the judiciary, they will visit State House, and they still walk scot-free, not charged, and even when they are taken to court, Your Excellency, they will be released on, and they are told you can just go home for free. Kenyans need to appreciate that it is important to have the discipline that these men and women have. It's important to protect your nation. The national police and our police officer must be ruthless in dealing with such criminals because we want this country to be a country of law and order, not a country of chaos.
Ndiro cia Musumbi Ruto na cia Kipchumba Murkomen cia kwatwa mbau ni Inspector Munene wa Volisi Douglas Kaja aimenda Maovisa ma Volisi kuyanisya wia wo wa kutumania muo.
And I want to assure them
that we study with them, we support them, we want them to execute their mandate to ensure that our country remains safe from north to south, from east to the west. The Kenya country must remain the same. It is only the only country that we have here. That is our motherland. And I want our officers and I want to assure them to continue in that trajectory and ensure that our country remains safe and secure.
Vilingi wa Muvea TV, Nyenita wa Ben Mwasao.